We're walking.
Hello, bear. He's nosing on up.
We have a bear in front of us. Mom and her cub leading our way.
Making sure the track's clear for other bears.
Right.
Ever sleep.
No, it seems like those two are always on the go. I know. They met us this morning when we were trying to leave.
Now they don't stop and play.
We have a bear jam on the path. They'll probably lay down. Keep walking, Mama.
I think
the
she...
path of least resistance to the falls too.
Not stupid.
No, they definitely aren't. They
Slept
can.
on the beach last night.
And they were rolling around in the grass this
There
morning.
you go.
Hey girl, go on.
Keep walking. We want to get to the falls too. Aw.
Pointing it there.
Get close. Yesterday, fella just went to sleep next to you.
Oh, where was that at?
That was just up here.
Oh, wow.
Just on my iPhone.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Isn't that
It
crazy?
was that close, so I could hear him breathing. That was awesome. And snuffing and oh.
Oh, and I
was the only one there too.
Oh
which is
my
great.
gosh. You
So I
you
was
got
like,
some good stuff.
Yeah.
Where at was this back here
No,
somewhere?
this is just up here at the falls, the
Oh.
first platform you
Mm-hmm.
go
Oh.
to. I was on the way out, and
Oh,
then I just noticed him there, just lying there.
wow.
So I snuck
I
up.
lost sight of her. So I don't know.
Hello.
Where'd you go? There's some fresh dung, scat. Oh, they're right there. They're still walking. Go on.
Go on.
Go.
Don't pay any attention to us.
No, go. Don't look at them. We're like meeting. Go on. Keep going. There, it scared him a little bit. Go. They're so curious.
That's really cool.
Hmm?
That's really cool.
Yeah. Our walk slowed down a little bit because we got bears in front of us.
Yeah.
They're leading the way though. They're smart. They're staying on the walking path towards the falls. Hopefully they'll go to the falls and give us some more pictures. Hey bears. Hey bear. I think they're still on the... I want to say they're still on the path. Do you see them? Are they on the... Are they still actually on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just around the corner.
Keep walking, bears.
Keep on going.
Keep going. We're not interesting.
These are not the droids you're looking for.
These are not the what?
Droids you're looking for.
Oh. Pfft. We're not interesting and we don't taste good either.
Yeah, they don't taste like chicken or salmon.
Tastes like bourbon.
Haha.
After last night.
Marinated.
Yeah.
Oh. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Where'd they go? Are they still on? Oh, they started walking again.
Yeah.
Are they off the path now? No. They're a little.
They are.
Okay.
They're walking toward the river.
The what?
They're walking toward the river.
Oh, good.
You could catch a fish.
What? What'd you say? They walked. They cut through here.
There they go.
They're like ghosts. When they disappear.
Disappeared, aren't they?
Yeah, when they disappear, they disappear. They're good at popping back out, I'm sure.
Gone.
All right.